Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, let's just head on to the App Store and make sure that our TikTok app is up to date. So from the search bar, let's just type in TikTok right here and click on TikTok. So if it says update right here, just click on that and that will update your TikTok app. This will also ensure that you have the latest features and also that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided. So to do that, let's just click on the 3-bar line at the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, just scroll through and under the Content and Activity section, you should say Dark Mode right here below the app language. Let's just click on Dark Mode, and currently it is set to light for the appearance of the app. So just click on Dark right here and this little circle to set it at the dark mode. That is basically how you can get your Tik to the dark mode, and watch as a preference for some people to make it look not too bright when scrolling through the app. So that is it on how to get dark mode on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have